Hello my dear subscriber and viewers, welcome back to Akshita 2023 channel. In this video I am going to explain about fenestrated endovascular repair. So in endovascular this is a part 3. So already I posted part 1, part 2 separately. Those who are not watched that video, please check descriptions. I have pasted those links in the description box. And before going to this video, please subscribe my channel and press bell button and select all, then only you will get my all new videos as notification. Okay guys, let's start today's topic of fenestrated endovascular repair. So the code is based on the two sets of codes. One is one code range from 348412 to 348444. This is for fenestrated endovascular repair of the visceral aorta. So for visceral aorta, code range from 348412 to 34844. For fenestrated endovascular repair of visceral aorta and concomitant infrarenal abdominal aorta, code range from 34845 to 34848. Okay, so for these sets of codes only, here they differentiated. And next point is 34831 CPT code is physician planning and sizing for patient specific fenestrated visceral aorta endograft. So planning CPT code is 34839. So this code we should check the documentation, supporting documentations, like it should be minimum 90 minutes of physician time in planning. So if less than 90 minutes, then we should not report this code, and no need to be continuous time. And this 2 point, the third point is it should not be reported on day before or day of the fenestrated endovascular repair procedure. So okay, this that point we should check from the documentation, then only we can code 34839 CPT code. Okay, then so what are the CPT description says include services. Those services we should not bill separately. Okay, then I told you there are two set of codes. One is visceral aorta and another one is visceral and abdominal aorta sets codes. So both sets code is based on the number of the visceral aorta. Okay, so then so number of the visceral aorta. Then next point is proximal endo processes CPT code we can bill separately with this CPT. Okay, then infra component maybe perforated unibody device also we can bill separately. And then what are the include services we can see. So 34845 34848 includes placement of unilateral or bilateral docking limbs. So this unilateral bilateral docking limbs is included, we should not bill separately. Then additional stent graft extension we should not bill separately with this CPT codes. If it is that graft stent and angioplasty, if within the treatmental zone, we should not code. If it is outside of the treatmental zone, we can bill separately. Okay, if distal extension process is CPT code, we should bill separately. Then what are the include services? Introduction of guide wire is included, we should not bill separately. Okay, then catheterization, hypogastric arterial families, if it is outside of the treatmental zone, we can bill the catheterization separately. Then as I told you, balloon angioplasty, then balloon angioplasty within the target zone of the endograft means we cannot bill separately. If it is outside of the treatmental zone, we can bill separately. Okay, then fluoroscopy guidance and radiological interpretation we cannot bill separately. Then exclude services or exposure of access vessels, so 34812 we can bill separately.
Then extensive repair of artery 35226, 35286 we can bill separately. Then repair of concomitant endovascular treatment of the descending thoracic aorta, then 75956, 75959 we can bill separately with the 348412, 34848. Okay. Then other interventional procedures also we can bill separately, but it should be outside of the treatmental zone, like balloon angioplasty, stenting, embolization, then intravascular transfusion. These services we can bill separately if it is outside of the treatmental zone. Okay, then that's all about the guidelines. So these all set guidelines, it is all guidelines, or you can find in the CPT under the CPT description in the bracket itself. So I'm explaining again and again. Whenever you're taking questions, please don't forget to check the parenthetical notes. Okay. Okay guys, that's all about the endovascular repair. In next video we'll see the third order, second order, that selective, non-selective catheterization procedures. If you have any doubt, please comment. If you like this video, please like and share to your friends also, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.